So check this out. One of the very first things that I ever did or upgrade or whatever for my Lexus, the 2002 LX470, was change the key out. And I went with an OEM key, and actually I ordered it on eBay, and I paid probably like $60 or something like that for two keys. Did the whole programming and stuff like that, but you could feel how weak that key is. I went onto I Hate Mud and I found, hey, this YotaMD titanium reinforced key. But you know what? That's not all that they sell over there. So YotaMD is, there's a lot of things going on with YotaMD. He has a YouTube video or YouTube channel where he has a lot of great information on how to do some of the most difficult things to a 100 series Land Cruiser. He's got a great build over there, and he makes these reinforced keys with a bunch of different colors, and it's not just for the 100 series Land Cruiser. He also partnered with Ben, I believe it's Ben's Build, and I'll put the link down below. And that guy, they have a partnership right now where they have like this media mount that's built into the dash. That media mount, like if you look at this whole dash, like you don't want to drill holes in here, and you don't want to like mount stuff off the sides. You want something that looks clean. I'm going to replace that little insert right there. And we're going to use a ram mount ball. And that way I could put my, either my phone there, or I could put, a GPS unit. Sky's the limit. I could put a bunch of stuff right there. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the install. I'll go through the parts list, what it comes with, and we'll install that real quick. So, with YotaMD, with this kit, you get the insert, right? So Ben Builds did all this with a laser printer. I think not a laser printer, a 3D printer. All right. So this will be the support that'll be on the back side once I take that dash panel out. And you can see like this will fit right in there. There's a bunch of nuts that are built on the inside and the back. And I'm pretty curious to see like how everything fits back there, because I don't remember how that insert that's there now, how it is actually secured. So I'm curious to open this all up. The only tools that you'll need is upholstery tools. All right, that's my help right here. So upholstery tools, and then some Allen wrenches, because all these will have Allen heads. So that's the bolt that's going to hold on this portion, which is actually will hold the ram mount right inside, just like that. Now this ram mount is sold separately. You got to purchase that separately. I bought it on Amazon. I think it was like $10 or something like that. And I'll put a link to all this stuff in my in the description below. And then there's 3 of these little guys right there. And that also takes an Allen head. Hold on. So you got to be very careful, right? So you take your upholstery tool and you put it inside. Right. Now grab that and do it on that side. So we use a plastic one because the metal one, there you go, pops off. Cool. Now, yep. Oh no, we could just pull it just like this. So you go all the way around. No, there you go, just like that. So now you're going to have ones on the bottom too. All right. So may I see this? There you go. Just like that. Cool. Now, right there at the bottom, so we're going to take this insert out. So all you got to do is squeeze that. There's two little tabs. All right, so now you don't, oops. So with this, keep that. Just two little tabs, you squeeze the two tabs and it pops right out. So let me go get the other piece there. I decided I want to take out the whole thing. As you saw, that the previous owner had made an unnecessary cut over here, and I don't like it when people cut stuff. It just, I don't know. Anyway, so the previous owner made that cut for whatever reason, so I decided to take out this whole surround out and just make it a little easier to put it together. You don't have to, you could totally put it in, no problem. It's only one plug for this 2002 Lexus LX470. So, one hand operation here. Here, click. Alright, you want to help me put this in? Yeah. Okay. So we got to start with the bottom first. Alright, line up the top holes too. Okay, you can hear it kind of clip in. Nice. Good job. That looks pretty good, huh? Hey, so what I used was a ram mount, and I would put it in the window. And I don't know if you can kind of see the little suction cup mark. Well, yeah, I'm not going to be doing that anymore. So what I'm doing is I'm going to disconnect from the suction cup. And then we will just put it in to this one. And look, I'll have all this adjustability here. It's perfect. It's just out of the way for most items right here. Perfect. I can manipulate the screen right here. I could probably even turn it this way and maybe play a movie or something. Hook this up to the Bluetooth so I can play movies or YouTube videos through. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm not too happy that I had to make that adjustment back here, but this whole thing is really well made. So good job to Ben Builds. You know, he's very talented, and good job with offering it up. Everything that I think everything that YotaMD touches is perfection. So. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Definitely go check out YotaMD and check out all his products. If you want to see more photos of some of the products that he makes or that he has to offer, definitely go on his website. I'll put a link in the description below. And as far as some of those 3D printed products by Ben Builds, and I hope I'm not butchering that up right now, but I will put a link into his, I believe he has a website, but he's huge on I Hate Mud, so and he's on Instagram. So I'll put all that stuff also in the description below. So until next time, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.